Today, I kind of want to go over a little bit of a problem I ran into. And I don't know if any of you have bought these, but these Ridgid screwdrivers. And they come with these batteries and one of these chargers that you just plug in. Now, the problem I was having is that when I would plug in the battery, oh, I got that setting wrong. When I would plug in the battery, it would just go red and it wouldn't charge. And so I thought the batteries were bad. So I ordered extra batteries and I tried it again. Now, I ordered these off-brand because I really wasn't sure what the problem was. So I ordered extra batteries and I put them in the charger and they didn't work either. I thought, well, how are all the batteries bad? So then I got to looking at it, and these chargers that they're in, I found out that these chargers are where the problem is. They have some diodes and stuff in them that go bad. So I looked into buying just a charger. The charger alone was $60. But if you buy it in a kit with one of these little impact wrenches, and as you can see, this is one of the little mini impact wrenches. This one came with a screwdriver and the full size impact wrench, and it's like $300. But this is for 99 bucks. And actually it was $99 or $119. But either way, it was less than half the price of just the battery charger. So this really was a really good deal. And I really wanted a small miniature one that I could use for little construction projects around the house and stuff. And it impacts, so it still works pretty good. But as soon as I did that, all of the batteries started working again. So as it turns out, the charger goes bad, but the batteries were just fine. If you're having a problem with this is coming up with error, and no matter what you do, all of your batteries aren't working, then my suggestion is just buy another kit with another battery charger in it, and then all of your batteries are good. Now, if one of your batteries is bad and the other one is good, then these big 6 amp hour ones, they are heavy, but for these bigger screwdrivers, like this one here, this non-impact one, they are really good because this has already got some oomph to it, and this just adds to it, but it gives it a lot of extra power because this is 3 times the size of the standard 2 amp hour battery that comes with it. Now it's a little bit bigger and it does have some power, some weight to it, but if you're doing a project where you're doing a lot of screwing, like putting a shed together or something like that, you're going to want some real serious batteries in there. Then you have extra batteries to use all the way around. This little one came with 1 battery. The original one came with 2 batteries, and then I bought 2 of the big 6 amp hours. So now I've got tons of batteries, and I can constantly keep them on the single charger and keep them all charged up. Anyway, so I will put a link to to basically the small Ridgid charger in case you need to order another one. And hope this helps. And have a good day, and we'll see you on the next video.